2025 has finally ended, guys. So another chapter na naman tayo na upcoming sa 2026, no? But before tayo mag-start sa ating 2026, guys, gawa muna tayo ng wrap up, no? Siyempre, wrap up 2025, kumbaga recap sa lahat ng sapatos na nakuha natin this year. Because this year is a blessed year, or 2025 was a blessed year, guys. Sa akin, ha. I mean, for sure, sa inyo rin, hindi lang naman ako yung blessed dito sa mundong to, eh. Siyempre, kung nakikita mo tong video na to, blessed ka rin kasi you still have life, you know? And you have to be thankful. We have to be thankful to God each and every day sa buhay natin, guys. Okay, wag niyong kalimutan yan. Because faith can move mountains. Yay! Yes, sir. That's what he do. Pray before play. So today, pakita ko sa inyo lahat ng sapatos na na-pick up ko in 2025. Starting from the Jordans, going to the Kobe's. Let's go! So medyo marami yung na-pick up natin this year, no? So sobrang ganda. Mostly Kobe's yung mga na-pick up natin, guys. Pero meron din tayong Jordan na pick up, of course. So unahin muna natin yung Jordans. Hindi naman ganun kadami yung nakuha natin Jordans this year, guys. Hindi rin ganun kadami yung sinalihan ko na Jordans. Though may sinalihan ako na medyo masakit din yun actually. Kasi syempre hindi ko nakuha eh. Medyo mahapdi din yun. Especially the brick by brick na Force. Tos undefeated na Force. And yung most anticipated, like every drop, like hindi lang ako, maraming tao yung gustong makakuha nun, but sadly konti lang yung ni-release, limited naman pag sobrang hype. It was the Jordan 1 at Travis fragment na collab, no? Medyo mahapdi yun. Maganda yung market nun, guys. Kung di nyo alam, check nyo. It's around 1,400, no? Depending on the size. So, maganda sana na idagdag sa collection natin, but ganun talaga. So ito yung Jordan pickups ko in 2025, guys. To start with, this is the Jordan 4 SB. So ito yung nirelease nila in 2024, yung 2023, kung di ako kamali, 23 or 22. It was the green one, the pine green, which is the Jordan 4 na SB. Yun yung pinakamaganda. Maganda rin yung market nun, kung di nyo alam. Kaya naging SB yan dahil sa gum sole niya, guys. Tapos yung Union, ito yung pinakaunang nirelease na, probably January yata nirelease ito ng Nike. This is the Union LA Chicago. Nag-release ulit yung Union, no? Sobrang ganda. Nike is nag-release ulit sila ng Chicago Jordan 1 Low. Tignan nyo naman yan, guys. And isa sa pinamaganda din sa pickup na to, guys, or sa release na to, guys, is yung swoosh na, kasi sobrang laki ng swoosh. So yeah, Kobe's na tayo, guys. Medyo marami tong Kobe's. So to start with the Kobe's, guys, ito yung one and only Kobe 9 na pick up ko, guys. Wala akong ibang Kobe 9 sa collection ko. Ito lang talagang mag-isa. This is the Kobe 9 Mambasita. This is a must-have. Like kung gustong-gusto mo talaga yung Mambasita na collection, magandang pick up to, guys. Especially with the tag saying Mambasita. Pangalawang pick up natin ng Kobe sa 2025, guys, is the Watda 8. Ito yung Kobe 8 Watda. Dalawa talaga kinuha ko dito kasi gustong-gusto ko talaga tong sapatos na to, guys. I mean, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung 8s kasi yung 8s komportable siya sa paa ko, guys. Of all the Kobe's na nasuot ko, I already wore Kobe 8, 6 and 5, but 8 is just like better on my foot. So next na pick up natin this year, guys, or sa 2025 is the Kobe 6. Dalawa din nakuha natin. Mostly sa na-pick up ko this year, guys, most of them are retail. Both of this one, these are retail too. So blessed talaga tayo this year, guys, you know. Thank you, Lord. Actually, ang isa dito is hindi ko size. Kinuha ko lang talaga kasi gusto ko talaga na may second pair, kasi gusto kong suotin yung isa collection. But the second one that I got is actually a smaller size than mine because I used 9.5, but ang nakuha kong isa is 8.5. So bibilhin daw to ng best friend ko. It's all yours, boy. Next, Year of the Mamba. Kita nyo naman, guys, dalawa din nakuha natin. Retail itong dalawang to, guys. Year of the Mamba na eggplant colorway. From the word itself, eggplant. So, kaya purple yung kulay or violet. Purple-violet. Hindi tayo yata magkapareho yung purple-violet, no? Hindi tayo colorblind. Hindi lang talaga tayo magaling sa kulay. But, yeah. This is the eggplant. And also, hindi lang isang colorway na Year of the Mamba yung nirelease ng Nike. Ito yung hindi nirelease sa Amerika. Exclusive lang to sa Asia or siguro sa China. I'm not really sure. Kasi hindi talaga to nirelease dito sa Amerika. And hindi ko to nabili ng retail since hindi to nirelease dito sa Amerika. This is the Kobe 5 Year of the Mamba University Red. So nakuha ko to for like $250 and right now market nito is more than $300 na, so it's really a good pickup, guys. Right there, University Red. Next one is isa din to sa pinakamagandang release this year ng Kobe lineups, guys, especially sa Kobe 6. Ganda ng colorway kasi nito sobrang linis na colorway ba. Ito yung Kobe 6 na LA Dodgers. Tignan mo naman yan, guys, sobrang linis, no? Sobrang ganda. Dalawa yung nakuha natin and nasuot ko na tong isa. Yeah, Kobe 6 LA Dodgers. And next Kobe is, ito yung isa din sa pinakamalinis na release this year, guys. This is the Kobe 6 All-Star Sale Colorway. Tignan nyo naman yan, guys. Isa sa maganda dito is lahat ng Kobe 6 kasi, guys, ito yung iba. Kasi may mga star kasi. From the name itself, All-Star. So yung style niya dito, instead na Mamba, na prints, na print out, ginawa nilang star yung design. Ito yung nagpapa-unique sa sapatos. So, yeah, Kobe 6 All-Star. Third to the last pair na nakuha ko this year, guys. Sobrang blessed tayo nito, guys. Kasi yung isa, hindi ako yung nakakuha. It's my girlfriend. So, shout out to you, girlfriend. I love you. Appreciate you. So, this pair right here, ito yung collab ng Nike Kobe lineup with Caitlin Clark na naglalaro sa Indiana Fever. So, this is the Kobe 5 Caitlin Clark. Right there. Tignan mo naman yung colorway niyan, guys. And nasuot ko na actually ang isa dito. And para sa akin, same siya ng feeling sa 6. Kailangan mo muna siyang i-break in bago talaga siya maging grippy, bago siya maging really komportable sa paa mo. So, that's just my own opinion based on my experience. So, next. So, another Caitlin Clark, no? Another collab with Kobe lineup with Caitlin Clark. This one is one of the cleanest, like isa sa pinakamalinis na release ng Nike, guys, na Kobe 6. Ito yung Kobe 6 na Caitlin Clark. Tignan mo naman yung kulay niyan, guys. Armory blue or whatever color that is. Like sobrang linis ng sapatos, guys. Like sobrang ganda, no? Kobe 6 Caitlin Clark. Ito yung pinaka-unexpected, guys, kasi as far as I know, na limited lang talaga daw to. So, it was said it was just around 9,000 pairs released within US, guys. Nationwide lang dito, hindi to nirelease outside US. So, kung nasa outside US ka, for sure, nahilapan kang kumuha nito. You have to outsource dito sa Amerika. But, isa tayo sa blessed, no, na makakuha ng pair na ganito. So, this was just released recently, December. This is the Kobe 6 Jalen Brunson Statue of Liberty. Sobrang ganda ng kulay, guys. Yung kulay niya is, they said it was turquoise colorway. Tapos may action siya na parang bronze dito from the logo sa tongue. And then Nike swoosh, both sides. Tapos dito sa heel, yung signature. And then sa outsole niya, guys, yung Kobe logo, it was orange instead of the bronze. So, sobrang ganda ng accent niya, guys. Isa to sa pinakamalinis and sobrang unique na colorway na nirelease ng Kobe's, no? Din naman tayo na hindi sinalihan na mga raffles, guys, especially the Kobe 4 Barcelona, Kobe 9 China, nakaka-release lang din, hindi rin ako sumali doon. Tapos may iba pang mga Kobe 9s na nirelease, hindi rin ako sumali. Hindi lang talaga ako ganun ka-fan sa 4s and sa 9s, kaya hindi rin ako sumali kasi yung pinaka-paborito ko talaga is the 5, the 6, and the 8. Yun yung pinaka-paborito ko. But pinaka-gusto kong forma is the 6, pero yung pinaka-gusto kong suotin is the 8. Okay, just to let you know, baka gusto nyo magbigay ng regalo, diba? Thank you ahead of time. But yeah, ano yung pinaka-gusto nyo sana pick up, guys? And sana din nakakuha din kayo sa lahat ng gusto nyong makuha na sapatos sa 2025. Marami ding upcoming na i-release, no, sa 2026. So, You guys need to save up. I need to save up for that one too sa lahat ng i-release nila. Especially, kung di ako nagkakamali, sa January pa lang guys, banger na yung i-release ng Nike guys. Kung di nyo alam, Year of the Horse, Kobe 8. Woo! Woo! Oh man, I'm excited for that one. So yeah, that's a wrap. 2025. Thank you so much. Goodbye and hello 2026. Paul and CB out. Peace, yo. Pray before play.